Hello, future coding wizards. It's time to put on your thinking caps for a mental math quiz game with Menu L222. If you're just starting out, don't forget to watch our menu navigation video to become a menu whiz in no time. Found Menu L222? If you pause for 10 seconds or tilt the joystick right, a nifty help message will appear. To leap into the quiz, just flick the joystick left. Ready? Press the joystick to kick off the game. If you're all set, skip the help message with a quick leftward flick. The math challenge is on. Watch as a math problem scrolls by with a potential answer. Think the answer's correct? Nudge the joystick up. Doubt it? Push it down. Our clever Python quiz will reveal if you're on the mark. The next problem will pop up with a new answer to ponder, keeping the brainy fun going as long as you like. When you're ready to wrap up, moving the joystick left will bring you back to the main menu. Your score and past best performance will flash on the screen, with your high score saved to track your progress. Aim high and have fun. You're mastering Python with each question. Want a behind-the-scenes look? We've got a code preview for you. Keen to code it yourself? Jump into our simulator on your laptop and start crafting. Need a coding buddy? Our AI Chatbot Coding Companion is here to help you through the puzzles. Ready to embark on a coding journey? All the tools you need are at http://schoginitoys.com. Let's level up our Python skills together. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.